Turn the microphone on. Okay. I'm going to create a terrain plane. And then I'm going to go over here to terrain tools and create a elevation region. Now I'm just keeping it simple. I'm going to create two terrain features now that using the default settings. The settings are set to 0. And then I'm going to draw another one. Not a terrain hole. Let's see. Yeah, another region. We'll bump it up against these other two. We'll set this into -66. And see what that gives us. Kind of sort of a moat. It's a little rough on the edges and so forth. But it's, something we could put a moat in. I think what I'm going to do is see if I can straighten it up. We'll go over here to elevation data. And I'm going to use a terrain break. Right there. We'll open it for programming and set it to 66 inches. See if that helps us any. I don't do a terrain a lot. Well, I smoothed it out. Smoothed it out some. Let's do it on the other side as well. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna copy that and drag it over close to the other region. We'll just put it right up against it. And then I'm gonna put this right up against the other region. Now this is set to 0, 0, and -66. Okay, that cleaned it up a little bit more. You want perfection, then you probably ought to use something else. Some other software that I'm not aware of. Now, we got that kind of a dip in the terrain. We'll go over here to terrain, not terrain, CAD. I'm going to draw a rectangular polyline and fill in that gap, and we'll convert that to a slab. And we'll program the slab to top at 0, and I'll adjust it if we need to, and make it 66 inches thick. We'll set the material to water. I don't see water. Okay. We'll go to the library then. Under landscaping. Here's some water. Swimming pool type water. And we'll go back to that overview. And okay. Not totally cool. I'm going to change the parameters of it. You can add in things on the edges if you want it to look more perfect. Now I can take this, well, I've got the water there, I can make it using adjust materials tool. I can go over here to properties and make it less transparent. Yeah, or whatever suits my purposes. Yeah, and there's a way to do it. It's not necessarily the way to do it, but it's a way to do it. And of course, you can add other custom objects to trim up the sides and so forth if you needed to. But I thought I'd just quickly do this because that's the first thing that jumped to my mind as a way to solve that particular problem. If it helps you, great. If it helps somebody else, that's even better. Thanks for watching in any case. Shift F10.